Today is September the 5th, 9-5, and our title is Name Scroll. Name Scroll. Okay, let's go ahead and get our books opened up here. Alrighty, let's get started. I'm going to move up to the top corner here, 9-5. What I'm going to start with is I'm going to start with the end of the scroll. Okay, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to start pretty much kind of towards the middle, and I'm going to just make a little swirl like that. Okay, just a little spiral. Then I'm going to bring it around, curve it into another spiral, just like that. Okay, so it's just one spiral to another. Okay, now let's bring the sides down right here at this point, angle it a little bit down. Same thing on the other side. Okay, you can take it at a diagonal just a little bit. Okay, now just like this is curving here, between this point and this point, we want to curve it also. Okay, so we've got that. Now we just need to add the details of the part that curls around, because as you know, a scroll, it unrolls, and so these are the areas where it's actually rolling at. So I'm going to show you some easy ways to put that in. So if you come off of this curve right here, just bring it straight down. Okay, do that on this side and on the other side. Okay, now find your next curve, and as I'm coming around the bend here, I can see it's right here. So I'm going to bring that straight down right there. Same thing on the right. One more spot, we need to bring it down, and that's that point right here and right here. So bring it down, bring it down. There's your scroll. Okay, that's the easy part. There's your scroll. Now, we want you to put your name in the middle, because this is called Name Scroll. So just like we've done before with some of our lettering, give yourself a light guideline. Okay, I've given myself 2 curved lines, and I'm going to fit my lettering in between that. Now, I'm also doing stick lettering first, so I know that it will work. And now that I've done that, I can go ahead and erase that line because I don't need it anymore as a guideline. Okay, so get rid of lines that you don't need. And let's go ahead and fill in the lettering. Okay, so this should be pretty easy. You're just going to make it a little more bold. Okay, you're just going to thicken it up. We've done lettering before, so this shouldn't be too big of a surprise for you. Okay, just thickening it up. You can use your first name, you can use your last name, you can use your middle name, it doesn't matter to me. Just any kind of name inside. Almost got it. Just a few more steps and we'll have it. Okay, so I've got all of that filled in. The last thing I need to do is just add some shading. I'm going to add some on the left side. It's going to be a blended shading, so it's going to be from dark to light. So I'm coming down the left pretty darkly. Dark, 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 all the way down the side. And as I move over, I'm going to lighten it up. Okay, lighter and lighter as I'm coming over. Just like that. Okay, so I've got this. I need to put shading in a couple more places, which one is going to be right here, down the side of the scroll. Okay, just a little bit. You don't have to put a lot. And I'm going to go ahead and put some over here too. Okay, last couple places, right inside that little chunk right there. Same thing on the other side. Okay, and there you have it. There is your name scroll. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure you watch your foreshortening, that you're curving both these lines Don't forget to bring all of your lines down in this area. Add a name, and then don't forget your gradual shading in these areas. Erase anything that you don't need.